Hi everybody, today I will show you how to delete a contact on WhatsApp. So, WhatsApp uses your phone's contact list, which means to delete a contact from WhatsApp, you need to delete it from your phone's contacts directly. So first I'll open my WhatsApp. Now I'll search for a contact that I'm going to delete. Here, I have this contact that I want to delete from WhatsApp and it's showing in my WhatsApp contact list. So, the first thing that you're going to do is open your phone's contact application and find the contact you want to delete. For example, I will choose this one. Now, tap on the contact to open their details. Then, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner, that is more option, and simply click delete option. Now, click move to recycle bin. Now what you're going to do is click on three dotted icon in the top right and click recycle bin. Here you will see that specific contact. Select this by long pressing it and click delete all and click delete. Now that specific contact will be removed from my WhatsApp. Now simply go back to WhatsApp and that contact will no longer appear in your WhatsApp contact. Also keep in mind that deleting a contact doesn't delete your chat history with that person on your WhatsApp. If you want to remove the conversation as well, go to WhatsApp chats, select their chat, click on three dotted icon at the top right of that chat, click more and click clear chat. Now simply click clear chat here and the conversation with that person will also be removed from your WhatsApp. So that's how you delete a contact on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.